This is episode 4 of my origin story. I laid in bed that night, trying to come to grips with the fact that they were never going to let me go. But after calming down enough to think straight, I remembered a movie where a man was held captive. He befriended one of the guards who aided in his escape, but I knew that would not be the case here because these stone-faced guards were only looking for an opportunity to blow me away. So I decided to work on Nurse Penelope. Every day I would make small talk with her. I would ask about her family, love life, and friends, but she was a closed book. I backed off for a while, but one day she opened up and told me about her daughter who had just had a baby, so I asked her to bring a picture. And a few days later, she did. That was the connection I needed. Over a period of weeks, all she could talk about was her new granddaughter, and bring pictures to show me. She even had photos of her daughter and baby standing outside of this building, and from that I knew what was waiting for me when I got outside of these doors. I could see the gates, the walls, and the guard tower. Now I know which way to go when I got outside. For the next phase of the plan to work, I need a plan to get out of this room, past the guards, and down the hall to the front door. Yes, I'm going right out the front door. Stay tuned for episode 5. And until next time, keep looking up.